Welcome to Dish by RMU Culinary, a weekly installment where we show you delicious foods. I'm Chef Rachel with the Institute of Culinary Arts at Robert Morris University in downtown Chicago. This week on Dish, we are making red wine poached pears. So what you're going to do with your poached pears is that you're going to start by getting your red wine on the stovetop so it starts heating up. You are going to peel one piece of orange peel and add that into your wine along with cloves and a cinnamon stick. So this will get really aromatic and it'll also poach your pears very nicely, add a nice color to it as it cooks in the pot. What you're going to do with your pears to prepare them is you need to peel them, get all of the skin off, once we peel our pears, we are going to go through and cut them in half along with coring it. So what you need to have is a chef's knife and a melon baller or something similar to that so we can get the core out of the pear. So you want to slice this right down the middle. Take your melon baller and scoop out the center with all of the seeds. If you still have a little bit of the bottom of the pear, you can clean off the end of that. Just slice off the little bit that's left so you have nice clean bottoms. All right. Go ahead and add your sugar into your pot. And this is already up to a pretty good simmer. So we are going to add our pears directly into our pot. And you can tell right now my pears aren't completely covered. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of water on top so that way it's completely submerged. And the pears will cook all the way through. Now you can let this sit for a while and cook through. You want these to be tender before you remove them from the pot, so you want them to sit in here for a little bit. You can give them a stir, and you can also, after a little while, take your pear and flip it over, so that way you're ensuring both sides are cooked completely all the way through and they're all submerged completely in the pot. This will probably take a good 15-20 minutes or so to cook through, so that way your pears are nice and tender. Once your pears are cooked through, you can get your plates ready so we can garnish it with caramel and fresh berries and nuts. All right, now that our pears are poached all the way through, we're going to dish up our plates. So we're going to take our pears over, and we're going to use this nice bowl. We're going to take one of our pears, lean it up off to one of the sides. We are going to garnish with a little bit of caramel sauce, toasted pecans, and a few fresh berries for a little brightness of flavor, followed by a scoop of vanilla ice cream to top it off. So this is our red wine poached pears. For recipes and more information about our programs at Robert Morris, please visit robertmorris.edu/dish.